Welcome. So today again I come with another challenge, and it's about reversing a string. Yeah, so we know that this is presented by me, your one and only Stuart. Yeah, so today we are looking at string manipulation. So what is string manipulation? Well, it's all about working with strings. Yeah, so string manipulation is a common task in programming, and reversing a string is fundamental problem. Sometimes you may be given a string and you're told reverse the string, and what it really means is make the first character the last, and usually maybe go to the end of the string and then return the string in the reverse order. So before we even go ahead, what is a string? I know for most people who are programmers, we know a string is just a sequence of characters. Yeah, like this: hello 1 2 3 4 5. It's not a number, it's a string, because we put it in the quotes. So strings are used to store text, symbols, or any characters. Yeah, we all know that. So we have a challenge here. Yeah, what's the challenge? So let's say we're given a string S. We need to reverse it so that the last character becomes the first. Yeah, for example, we have an input, hello, and we expect the output to be OH. I don't know how to read that. But usually, if you're given a problem like this, you have to first think through it in the normal ways without even writing the code. Like, how will I be able to do this? How can I achieve this without code? I think the solution would be to be able to read this string from the last one, like get this one, store it, get this one, store it, get this, up to the end. So ideally it's all about reading from the end, and as you read, you read, keep like that. Yeah, so that would be our solution. Now, how do we implement that? I think we're gonna have to use a data structure and probably an array. Yeah, because even for this string, you know, we can access it using the indice, like index. Yeah, if that's the word. Yeah, so like this would be if we read from the end, like this has 1 2 3 4 5. This has 5 characters. So that means if we use an array and keep on iterating through this string, this will be remember, an array is 0 based, so this will be 4 3 2 1 0. So we have to find a way of reading it like that as we store in some variable. So I'm switching to my favorite IDE. Yeah, I had done this, but I'm gonna do it again for the sake of everyone to get it. So I'm removing everything. So I'm using C#, but this same code runs in Java, so shouldn't scare you. For the Java developers, same logic, same stuff. So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna start writing a function and say maybe it's gonna return a string. So we say string. We're gonna use camel case. This is the name of my string, reverse. String, and it's gonna return, take in a string S, and maybe to return a string like that. Yeah, so in here we could use a string builder, but I'd like to go old-fashioned, so I'm gonna have to create my own string. Reverse is equal to maybe string, we say it's equal to, I like to use this string.empty class. So we have this is what will keep our string that will keep on reversing. So we're gonna use an array. So let's say 4 tab. So remember, we said we're gonna start from the last one, and the last one is at the string we are taking in, dot length -1, because it's 0 based. So here we're gonna say we're gonna iterate through this loop for as long as our I is for as long as I is less equal to 0, then we're gonna be counting backward, minus minus. So we have to be careful about this condition. So we say we're gonna go to the last one. So let's assume the last one will be 5. Then we're gonna iterate for as long as 5 is less, should be for as long as 5 is greater or equal to 0. Yeah, so for as long as this is greater than the 0, we'll keep on moving. Yeah, when this becomes false, the loop will stop, will break. So we're gonna say reverse string, we're gonna use a shorthand is equal to s at our index, which is I in this case. Yeah, so this is our function. So we're gonna come here and say maybe string output is equal to our reversed string, and then maybe we take in a hello, say put hello. Yep. It's complaining here. Object is then okay. Fine. We make this static inside the static class. Don't complain. So yeah. So this is it. We can debug it if we want to. I like to debug. When you debug, you get to see what's happening behind the scenes. Yeah, you just don't get the output. So we're gonna step in, come here, say, oh, okay, our string is empty. Yeah, we come in, we get the first character, append it, get the second one, append it, third one, append it. I don't know what's the value of this. It's 5, but we keep on reducing it like that. This should be the last iteration, and then we return our string. Oh man, I hope we got it. Oh, we didn't output it. We didn't console write it. We didn't console it, so we need to put it on a console dot write our output, maybe say console dot read line. We want to read the line. Okay, we want the screen to stay. Oh my god. Yeah, we made a mistake. We were supposed to return. This is why I like to code. I like to debug. We are supposed to return this. It's unbelievable. Because if we return this, that means everything we've done here is for nothing. So, yeah, let's see. There you are. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Hope there was something to learn, and debugging is very important.